Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. By the way, this is Mentor Joba, a political science instructor, and my goal here is to guide students on their studies. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Okay, so without further ado, then let's start! Our topic for this week is about the embodied globalization. Okay, so may nagtanong kung ano ba daw ma'am ang embodied globalization. Okay, so let me try to give a tutorial for it para din sa mga nagtatanong na iba. Okay, but before I will start discussing it, if you have any idea about embodied globalization, don't hesitate to write it down on the comment section para ma-check natin kung meron kayong or alam ninyo ang embodied globalization prior to our discussion. Okay? So now, that's simple. When we say embodied globalization, it refers to the migration of people. And when we say migration of people, tinutukoy natin yung pag-transfer or pag-transfer ng mga tao sa iba't ibang lugar. Migration kapag ako taga Baguio City ako, tapos mag-transfer ako ng residence doon sa Manila. Okay? So that's migration. We term that as local migration. Pero pag taga Baguio ako at mag-migrate ako sa America, that is international migration. Okay? So yun daw ang definition ng embodied globalization. It's the movement of people itself. So, there is globalization yan dahil sa pag-transfer mo, pagpunta mo sa isang lugar, meron kang na-acquire na ibang mga kultura or ikaw mismo, tinuturo mo sa kanila yung kultura na nakagisnan mo. So, that is embodied globalization, yung pagpunta mo mismo sa iba't ibang lugar. Okay? So, I hope that you get the point on what is an embodied globalization. And if it's not still clear, please don't hesitate to write your comment or your question on the comment section. So, I will give you back a reply once nabasa ko. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Okay, so goodbye everyone!